Assalamualaikum and hi. I would like to present the problem-based assessment. My name is Nurwida and my partner is Jihan. The main objective of this PBA is to demonstrate how to send an image that contains a payload. Now, I and Jihan will proceed to demonstrate the step involved. First thing first, we need to find the image. We can choose what image we want. For me, I choose monkey image. After we choose it, we need to save it. After that, we need to find the IP, which is we use ifconfig. Then this is our IP address. The next step, we need use service Apache start, and then after that, we need use service Apache status. The reason we use Apache 2 is because Apache 2 is a web server that handle browser requests and deliver web content like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The output shows that the Apache is already active. Now we can move the next step. Now we create the payload, which is we use MSF Venom. Now we have the payload and we have the image. Now we want to move it to Apache web server. After successfully move the picture to the web server, now I will open the new Chrome and then I will search HTTP, my IP and the payload name. After I search it and it will display like this, it means it's successful. Now I will pass my turn to Jihan to explain the next step.
Good day schedule. My name is Jihan and I will be presenting problem-based assessment for ethical hacking. So now, I will be going through the obfuscation process where we will obfuscate our payload using an image. So there are a few things that we need to prepare. One of them are definitely our image, an icon, and our payload. So before all of those, we first need to start our Apache server, our web server. Start. Let's look at our IP. So this is our IP address for our server. We will need to move our payload and our picture to our web server directory. And our image. So next we will be using this template. You can search online, or in our case this is given to us by our lecturer. We are only needed to change the local URLs for the first section, the second section. The first section will be our image. monkey.tpg, and the second will be our payload. So after editing, we will need to save this file as an AU3 file, and we will compile it using this AutoEat compiler. Browse the AU3 file and use a custom icon, and we will click convert. After the conversion is complete, let's use this right to left override, and let's rename our file obfuscation to hello tpj, and we also need to move this to our Apache web server. So next, we will use our MFS console. This is a shortcut I learned. We will immediately set our exploit, our payload, our lhost, and our lport. So after it's done setting up, let's start exploiting. So this command will start a job. So whenever a session is created, it will immediately connect. Alright, so running as background job 1, so let's simulate it. So this is our victim's computer. Let's try to download our obfuscated payload. And let's try to run it. Let's see what happens. There we go. An image will appear in our Kali. A session will be created, and now we can connect, and we get to exploit our victim's computer. So let's start a simple exploit, which is key logging. So what I did is basically any user key input that, let's try Notepad. Hello, I like. So this I can get here by doing key scan done. So that's the key logging that we did. Notepad, hello, I like hacking. So that is all for our problem-based assessment and my part in obfuscating the payload. Thank you.